What is your plan?
My plan is to basically get more shipping containers and build a giant wall. And I'm basically just hoping that that wall will be tall enough to block the fireworks and the flaming catapult debris from hitting the yacht.
That's so sketch. This whole thing is so sketch.
Today's my day. I'm feeling it. I'm hard confidence now.
Okay.
Compared to phase 2, this is insane. You really stepped it up.
Yeah, man.
You went from a pathetic build that let multiple cannonballs through to this, which I actually think might work.